Oh, I can already smell it.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here in our tack room, just spending some time in here cleaning things because it is too hot to ride today. We would normally have lessons, I would do some training, but it is beyond the limit that is too hot for our horses here. And we have some older horses and they're not used to higher temperatures too, so I usually make around 84 degrees the cutoff, regardless of how humid it is or not. I know there's a calculation you can do, but I just make that the cutoff. So today I thought I would take y'all on a tour of some of the abandoned buildings on our property and see what's in there. I basically haven't ever gone in them since moving to this property for the rescue. So let's go and investigate. So I've got myself one of my veterinary gloves. It comes all the way up to the elbow. Just because there's some animals that live in this building. I think there's some turkey vultures. I definitely know there's squirrels. We've had groundhogs, raccoons around here stealing the cat food. So I just want to make sure I'm not touching anything that's going to be dangerous or unhealthy. These guys have the right idea. Hanging out in the shelter, staying cool. So here is abandoned building number 1. It's an old tobacco barn. This used to be a tobacco growing property. And there's another one of these that we rehabbed and turned into the hay barn. I'll just pop out here, just over there. But this one is on its last legs. So I've taken some of the metal off and reused it for one of the shelters, but I've got boots on as well to protect myself, so here we go. I'm pretty sure it's going to smell terrible. Okay. Oh, I can already smell it. Okay. Oh, there might even be snakes in here too. That didn't occur to me. Totally jammed in there. Let me see if I can't get it open. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ugh. I think even more of the roof has caved in since I've been in here last. Well, I haven't even really been in here, but kinds of old paint. Oh, there's definitely some paint still in there. Cans, jars. Oh, that's a mason jar. That's old. Old tires, screens. Yeah, animals come in. Ugh. Okay. Water tank. And it has all these old beams for drying the tobacco on. Definitely got a lot of animal stuff. Okay. Oh, I feel like something's gonna jump out at me. No, there's a feather. Turkey vulture, perhaps? It's a, yeah, not spider web there. Stand. These are some old windows. Wonder if those are useful for anything. Ellie, do not come in here. No. I did pull these out initially. There's this old tool chest and a little lantern. They were right by the door. No, Ellie. The cat wants to come in. You're gonna... No, this is not safe. Go away. Okay. Old sink. Oh. That's heavy. Oh, another one of these. So we have one of these already that I found out. Oh my goodness, there's so many windows. Wonder what these were for. Maybe old windows for the house. That's some high-grade linoleum. Some sort of blanket, screens, windows. Hey, I could reuse those. Dang, I was just looking for windows for the new tack room. Ones that you can just kind of pop on. And that's handy. I might have to grab that and use it. Ugh. Oh, here we go, an old lawnmower. This is some kind of dresser. It's old things. It's an old chair. Stand. Definitely lots of places for the animals to get in. Just a little bit gross in here. Trying also not to walk into cobwebs. Yeah, this is this little push mower thing. Let's see. Oh, there's some cute little chairs. Some old wooden kids chairs, maybe? What's this? Oh, this is an old piece to a violin. I think. That's kind of cool. Wonder where the rest of it is. Oh goodness. This is some kind of cabinet. There's an old stove. Dare I open it? Ugh. What's in here? Ooh, that's lovely. Gross. More windows. That's fun. What are these? Oh, like old-timey insulators, I think. Lots of straps. Ooh, an old fan. And oh! Yeah, that's the dresser there. It's got a mirrored thing on it with a key. That's cool. Sorry, my gloved hand. These old, rusty... I'm literally afraid a snake's just gonna jump out at me. That's kind of cute. It actually turns. Ooh. I'm not sure that's... Oh, it's an old wardrobe. I'm not sure that's salvageable, but it is kind of cool. I don't know, maybe you could clean it up. It's really smelly in here. And then some old cabinets. Like old workshop cabinets. Oh, I can't open that. Okay. I gotta go through this someday and at least clean it out. I mean, this structure is gonna fall down before too long. It's definitely not supported properly. It's not structurally sound, really. So it's just holding some of old farm junk. I'm just gonna close this up. Ooh. Might be some poison ivy here too. Well, there we go. Little walk through abandoned building. Did you guys see anything cool in there? Thing maybe in the background that was cool, that maybe could be reused or repurposed for something if we went through and cleaned it up. I definitely don't have as much time for stuff like that as I would like, being out here on the farm and doing mostly everything by myself. Got a little help, some volunteers and some farm help here and there when I can. But we've got 2 more buildings on the property. There's a tobacco drying, another shed, something in the woods there. And there's what looks to be like an old homestead or cabin or something like that. If you go back and watch the first farm tour that I ever did, I think I might have just walked by it. I haven't spent hardly any time in these buildings. It's just like there's so much work and so much trash to take care of. But definitely some cool things, I think. Let me know in the comments. thank you all for watching. Hopefully we'll have some more horse content soon as it cools down a little bit here. We'll see you in the next one.